The only way you'll ever take down a dragon is if you stop being this, Gobber tells him. The most coveted dragon of all is the Night Fury. No one has managed to bring one down, which is why Hiccup wants to be the first. During an attack, while everyone runs to defend themselves, he sneaks to a cliff with his net launching machine. He aims at the dark sky, listens for the approaching whistle, and fires. A roar of pain cuts through the air and a shadow falls toward the forest. No one believes him when he shouts about his achievement, but he knows with certainty that he succeeded. While his father organizes a new expedition to find the dragon's nest, Hiccup ventures into the forest looking for the dragon he shot down. He walks for hours. Finally, after following a trail of destroyed trees, he finds it trapped in his net.